Alright, so I'm working like 5 different things. I'm taking a break for something else. But this is a 1963 Type 1 case, so you've only got the single relief. Normally have one in the front and one in the back for the control. So I'm going to make sure this fits. I'm going to go ahead and lube it just in case I can't get it back out. But you've got the plug that's going to go in with the opening facing out, and then you've got your spring, and then I've got a Allen key type bolt that's going to go in there. I could not find a torque, so whatever, I'm going to snug it up. I looked through multiple manuals. I looked at different stuff that people were talking about. No one said jack crap, so going with it. Obviously you don't want to over tighten it because it can crack a block, and that is not a spot you would want to crack. Not that you would want to crack anywhere else, but definitely not a spot you would want to crack. Definitely want to lube it up nice and good. I'm going to use a screwdriver or a flat tip screwdriver. Sanded it down a little with some crocus cloth. Make sure you guys can still see. And like I thought. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty smooth. Not bad. Come back. Come back. Alright. This guy is 624. 624 thousandths. Give me an idea. Alright, so I just put my plug back in. I lubed it again. I throw a little lube on the spring. Just put some regular oil in that one, just to give a little love. The spring in there. And this is an aftermarket spring, so it is going to be a little bit tighter, which I think is good. The key on there. That's a hell of a spring. All right, what a pain. Yeah, just make sure you get this thing threaded, you know, and I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. You're trying to put pressure on that spring at the same time, but you don't want to cross thread it. But this is so much nicer. Like I said, I don't have a torque for this. I think I'm going to just put a torque on it so I know that I'm not over tightening it. Let's call it 30 foot-pounds. All right, there you have it. Yeah, if you got any questions, post. Please make sure to freaking like everything and comment and subscribe. All right, thanks, guys.